Welcome to the world of giant wood cutters. Let's explore the power and speed that advanced machines bring, as well as useful applications in forestry. In the forestry sector, the Timber Pro 830D has emerged as a powerful machine. Its powerful 300 horsepower engine and outstanding lifting capacity of up to 40,000 pounds has redefined efficiency in logging. The Forest Cutter 8 is an advanced machine designated for efficiency and precision. It does fast and precise processing of trees and vegetation. The skillful combination between the man and the advanced chainsaw with sharp chain blades has helped him defeat this giant quickly. The John Deere 350, a legend in the forest industry, represents the perfect combination of power and precision. With an engine capacity of 85 horsepower, in the enchanting world of giant wood cutting, it is very important to use powerful saws capable of handling the giant logs. This helps to save hours of work during the day. The task of removing large fallen trees is done with precision through the use of advanced chainsaws, with the ability to cut up to 36 inches in diameter. Boasting a powerful 91.6cc engine that delivers an incredible 7.3 horsepower, the Stihl MS660 is designed for the most demanding jobs, easily cutting through the large trees with its 25-inch bar. The Sampo Rosenclaw CR68 combined with the Nucilla 335E harvesting head forms a formidable duo, with up to 24 inches of cutting capacity and an impressive process logging. The Cranman P25 with a crane is a powerful and flexible solution, boasting a lifting capacity of up to 2.5 tons, as well as being equipped with a powerful crane that can facilitate efficient tree cutting operations. With a rugged design and the ability to cut up to 11 inches in diameter, the JAK 300 attachment for heavy-duty excavators performs forestry operations efficiently. The Doosan 140 excavator is a powerful excavator equipped with a specialized fence saw blade. With cutting precision extending up to 8 feet and 14 tons of digging capacity, it redefines efficiency by removing large tree trunks. With an impressive engine capacity of 92.7 cc and a chain speed of up to 22 XP, chainsaw is a formidable tool for handling large timber. The Stihl 500i and Husqvarna 572 XP are a dynamic duo, and they embody the cutting-edge technology that helps to deliver unprecedented performance in handling large timber projects. With the help of these advanced technologies, wood cutting has become easy and effective with high precision and speed. The John Deere 350 mower excels at accurately cutting small logs. With superior cutting capability, ensures seamless operation. In the heart of the woods, with cutting capabilities that extend to logs up to 18 inches in diameter and sturdy construction, the John Deere 350 woodcutter combines power and precision to help handle the giants. The Sampo Rosenclaw HR46 combined with the Kessler 18RHC has become a formidable duo in logging. With a cutting capacity of up to 23 inches and a lifting capacity of 1.8 tonnes, it ensures efficient and precise wood processing. In the heart of the forest, the Sampo Rosenlaw HR46X boasts the ability to cut up to 23 inches in diameter. This machine ensures precision in logging. With a cutting capacity of up to 25 inches, as well as a lifting capacity of up to 2,500 kilograms, the Sampo 1066X combined with the Kessler 25RH2 JPS ensures efficient and precise wood processing. Amidst the woods, the Profi 50 combined with the Kessler 25 has a cutting capacity of up to 25 inches, as well as a lifting capacity of up to 2,500 kilograms. This demonstrates its ability to navigate dense forests and handle significant tree felling tasks with finesse. The Profi 50 Logma 1011C is equipped with the Kessler 25RH2 and a 65cm cutting capacity, redefining efficiency in logging. In the forestry sector, the Prophet 54 combines with the Kessler 25. It has a lifting capacity of 2,500 kilograms, as well as other advanced features. This duo ensures efficient wood processing. With a cutting capacity of up to 55 centimeters, as well as mounted on the powerful Komatsu 911.5, The JPS R5500 on the S92 Komatsu 911.5 redefines efficiency in woodworking. Advanced chainsaws are considered formidable giants in cutting large logs with impressive cutting capabilities of up to 36 inches in diameter. The JCB HydroDig 110W combined with the Jack 250 has a lifting capacity of 2,500 kilograms and other advanced features. This dynamic duo ensures precise and powerful wood handling. The Cranman P25 processor is truly a game changer. With a jaw capacity of up to 25 inches and a fast cutting cycle, this machine delivers excellent performance in processing large logs. In a forestry context, the Valmet 665 combined with the Kessler 40LF and the 203T crane represent a formidable trio. This formidable combination ensures efficient and powerful wood treatment. With a lift capacity of up to 19 inches and a quick operating cycle, the Kessler 19 GX brings efficiency and precision to woodworking. With an impressive lifting capacity of up to 7,000 pounds and advanced features, the John Deere 903M can handle wood efficiently. With outstanding human creativity, an advanced machine was born, combined with sharp links to make the work of handling logs easy. Through a rugged design and a 330 horsepower engine, the Tigercat 870C moves easily through challenging terrain, making the right choice for logging. These devices are vital to modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in our next